Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we picked up a Heath Zenith a motion sensor light for our front porch, and this is a hanging outdoor light. And here's a closer picture of it. So it's motion activated. It says it's got two light modes. It's got a light sensor, so it only works at night. And it says that it's metal construction. I don't know what part of it's metal construction, but we'll see. So let's pop this out of the box. Oh, and this takes like conventional size bulbs. So we've got your instructions. It's packaged somewhat nicely. Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Oh, it does feel sort of heavy. Oh. It has everything packaged in the back here, and it has it all bolted in. So you got to unbolt it. And they also have the little tabs on the front that hold this on to the light. So when we put these in, there we go. So take all our wires out. Ground wires wrapped around. We have white and black and a red. What's the red for? Caution, this wire is not for normal installations. See optional wiring in your manual before connecting this. No kidding. This is the light. It's really not very big. It's not as big as your normal lights for your front door or your patio. Slightly smaller. Takes a regular bulb. Oh, haha. Okay. So the red wire you can hook up for synchronized operation. So we can just snip that red wire, not use it. Actually, it's got a Marette on it anyway, so that's fine. It also comes with a couple of Marettes, which I'm not going to use their Marettes. The Marettes that I use are ideal can twists, one size fits all, and these things are just much better to use, and they fit with everything and they work great. So that's what I use. So I'll grab a couple of those. Alrighty, we'll grab these screws. Okay, and then that fits on this thing. So we've got to adjust. This is the funny part. We have to adjust. This plate will go over your octagon box, and you have to adjust how much of the screw sticks out, which probably going to suck a bit. So we're going to see. We're going to see here. And then on the bottom of the light, it has low, medium, and high sensitivity. And then test 1, 5, or 10 minutes for your for when you hook it up there. That's the delay. So if you have 10 minutes, as soon as it trips the motion sensor, the light will be on for 10 minutes. I'm going to set it for 5. I'm going to set the sensitivity for medium, and then we're going to go and install it. The new one that I put in the front light from Home Depot. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Okay, I gotta turn the sensitivity up on that. Okay. Alright, overall, I like the light. I like the style. It is small. So if you're looking for a light to replace a current light, double check the size because it may be too small for your application. I find that this one is pretty small, but this was kind of the style the wife and I liked, so I bought it. And if she changes her mind, I'm going to have to move it somewhere else, but we'll see. Yeah, so it works really well. I find on this, though, because the sensor's at the very top, that as soon as you open the door to walk out, you don't actually trigger the sensor at all. So you have to be further away from the light to trigger the sensor. So it would have been nice to have the sensor at the bottom of the light, but overall it's going to work well for what I need it for. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching.